Okay, I just want to do a little homework help for number 13 on the practice, just the beginning part of it. It gives you points A, C, and B, C, and it wants you to plug them into the distance formula. So we're just going to do just that, okay? So I know the distance formula is the square root, and we're going to call this x1, y1, and x2, y2. So x2 is B, minus x1 is A, and that's squared, plus y2 is C, minus y1 is C, and that is squared. Okay, a lot of people are just trying to enter that into big ideas, and it's not working. Well, this simplifies a bit. C minus C is 0. So I have B minus A squared plus 0. I don't even need to write that part. So that means I have the square root of B minus A squared. Well, this simplifies down even further. You can square root a square and some things happen. So let's try that just with a number. So if I have the number 2 and I square it and then take the square root of it. Okay, well 2 squared is 4 and 4 square root of 4 is 2. So see this base, this number inside? That's what I end up with. A square root and a square are inverses of each other. Same thing with when you have 1 minus 1. That adding and subtracting, positive, negative, those are inverses of each other. So square root and squared kind of cancel each other out. So in our equation, it leaves us with just B minus A. I guess I don't need parentheses there, so it can just be B minus A. The only problem with that is this is a distance. And being squared on the inside here is going to make that distance positive, no matter what B minus A equals. Well, when we just got rid of the squared and the square root, it's not necessarily positive. Well, when you square root something, you automatically should get a positive number because you can't take a square root of a negative. So we represent that by putting those absolute value bars. If I take the absolute value of B minus A, it means no matter what B minus A is, you get a positive number. So this is the beginning of number 13, and then you have to answer the rest of the problem.